Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market, as you can see, downward action has continued. It mostly agrees with our expectation, because if market destroys and canceling bullish scenario, bullish setup, it usually follows in opposite direction. And as we said, yesterday's market, by this drop informing the gap, has vanished the bullish grabber that has been formed on Friday. It means that the downward action is more probable and deep retracement is coming. So right now, as you can see on the daily chart, market is not at overbought, and in general, this retracement could be significantly lower without any dangers to harm the overall bullish scenario. Because actually, if even market will drop to 1240 area, this will be just minor 3.8 retracement only from this last leg to the upside. But in general, with the forming ABCD patient, market could drop as far as to even 618 support of the whole action, and without possibility to destroy the overall bullish potential of this patient. Yes, right now we have just minor extension. The 618 target has been hit with this large ABCD patient. That's why we prefer to get not as deep retracement as to the 618 support, but even drop to the major 3.8, it will be somewhere in this area, around 1220 area, and this will be just 3.8 retracement. That's why we should not be too worried about this continuation downward action here. It's absolutely normal. Currently, we expect, guys, to see a retesting of this cluster. So previously, this was rather interesting areas. Or first, this was resistance. On the second touch, market was calling here as some kind of the consolidation has been formed before the breakout. The first attempt of the breakout has failed, and then only on the second time market has broken this area. That's why this will be rather important support, and that's very typical for the gold market to retest the significant support resistance areas. That's why the area between the somewhere 1245 even to the 1255 area, this area that will be logical expectation of possible retracement here in the short term. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the price action mostly confirms this idea, because take a look. Yesterday we said, as market already has shown the upside reaction on this 100% target of this large ABCD patient. CD legs rather fast with a gap down. We have made suggestions that probably market should continue to move lower. That's really is going on right now. You can see this market is dropping. Next destination point will be 1618. It's approximately 1253 area, very close to the confluence support and major 3.8 support on the daily chart. That's why that could be probably the next destination point here. On the hourly chart, we have another extension, another signs that this probably could happen, because take a look, guys, that ABCD has been completed, 1618 target has been hit, market was tried to start upward action after the gap down, but has failed and dropped and stands right now below the 1618 extension. It means usually that no reversal has happened at the completion point of the 1618 extension, and it mostly suggests that the downward action probably will continue. That's in fact the same story as on the 4-hour time frame chart. Here is 1618 minor ABCD pattern. As you can see, market stands below its target. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have large ABCD, and market also stands below 100% target. All this action means that downward action is really probable. During today's session, what we could see here, market could form some kind of the upward bounce, some retracement here could happen, and take a look. That could lead to a pairing of the 3 drive pattern, guys. That could become, for example, first drive, this the second. We have the bullish divergence here, by the way, so some retracement here is possible today. If we will suggest that this could be the 3 drive, then probably retracement should be somewhere to 1270 area maybe. It's $6 per contract. In this case, as you can see, matching between 127 and 165 will be perfect. This will be very typical for the free drive pattern, something of that sort. So that's the patterns that we'll be watching for the finalizing of this possible retracement. First, we will be looking for 1245, 1250 area. Currently, downward actions you can see rather gradual. That's why we could think that it could stop around this area as soon as major targets will be completed on the intraday charts. If any downward acceleration will follow, in this case we will have to switch to the daily chart, and here already we'll start to draw the fib levels and watching how deep this retracement could be in general. But right now, our first destination points will be this resistance zone, this resistance area. And of course the patterns that now we are forming here, it's large ABCD, and probably here this may be the free drive will be. Both of them will lead us right in there around 1250 level.